Hey, we're gonna take a look at a MUDOR card holder I got off Amazon, and let's see how it is. So here's on outside. I don't think this is on YouTube yet, so that's why I wanted to record one to show you guys. So yeah, I'm not sure how many card sleeve this is. There's the stitching. Here's the thickness compared to a card. So yeah, starting that part. Let's see. Here's the middle part. So on the floor, on the table, folded. Barely, doesn't really stay down. So yeah, looks like here it is. Let's look through a few of those. I'll add some in after. Let's look at the middle. Here's the middle stitching. Looks like it's pretty thick. Let me see if I could count it. Oh, it's not. It's stitched and sealed, it looks like. Here's the back. And here's the logo. There's a bump in the middle too. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's add a few cards. So looks like side sleeved. There's one card right there. There's a card. Here's a sleeve. Well, I'll just there's that one, and there's a card, non-sleeved. Let's put the non-sleeved over here. Do recommend sleeving it. It's sort of really like perfect fit. Really hard to fit in. Yeah, there's that. And then here's a hunter going this way sleeve. Oh, that is so annoying. It's like a perfect. And then folding it. So yeah, let's take it out. Let's see how they take it out. Yeah, this is my first. There's that one. There's hello. And then there's a sleeve one. Taking it out's pretty easy. And then there's that one. So yeah, there's my unboxing of it. Like and subscribe if you guys can, and then there'll be a link in the description below on where I got it. I think it was like $15 or $20. I don't remember. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, just click a link. Maybe there's a sale. Thanks for watching. See you guys.